boy AK, and today, welcome back to another Abandoned. And what do we have here? We have an abandoned Applebees. So, this is a weird location because it's like close to all these like businesses and like it's literally next to a little preschool, it looks like, or a daycare, I don't know. But this is the abandoned Applebees, and I believe this huge space used to be like outdoor eating.
Wow, yeah, not too many Applebees have outdoor dining. That would actually be kind of cool.
Yeah, but it's not the weather for that.
Let's see.
There's a bunch of...
Trying to...
It actually looks pretty messy in there. Like, you see all that... It's like dirt and stuff. It's like right there.
Yeah, I tried to get a shot through the window, but it's so smudged and...
Yeah, it's like...
smeared and grody.
Yeah, there's a bunch of, like, mess in there. There's, like, gravel. I don't even know.
Well, let's look,
really dirty.
let's take a tour around the building. But first, try to get, so this is a better view. You can see the chandeliers with the stained glass.
This looks like it was, like, a table where, like, a whole family sits at.
Yeah, that's a booth that could hold 4 or 5 or more.
Yeah, I think that can hold, like, 2 adults and 2 kids. Probably an extra guest. Maybe more.
As AK was saying, and it's hard to really describe it without seeing the layout, but it is a very peculiar spot. It's tucked back in a corner. There's no easy way to get into here. You have to approach it from the back. I could see why this would be a less than ideal location.
Yeah, so that's probably why they closed it. I think the reason they put it back here, I was telling you about this when we were driving here, is that like probably business workers got lunch, but I mean there's like a huge abandoned business. And
there's a lot of office buildings and a lot of hotels in the area.
Plus it's still, even with that, it's still not like the best location, so yeah, I think that's why they
it's not like a standalone. It's not in a strip mall with other businesses. It's really tucked in the corner of like a business park.
Mostly on abandoned videos, we like to discover grotesque stuff like this.
Like the contents of this shopping bag.
Oh, what is it?
I don't know. It's like frozen to the ground.
A bag of leaves.
We apologize if there's a lot of wind. It is a cold, windy February day.
Yeah,
so apologies if that's picking up on the audio.
But you know what? You guys don't have to deal with this for too long because it's going to get a little warmer in our area.
Can you see that area in the center? That's probably where the bar was set up.
Oh, yeah.
Probably had someone there serving up drinks.
There's like...
It is a neighborhood grill. That's what they refer to themselves as.
There's a music player in there, I see.
They say
a bunch of music audio players.
So I guess this was the front entrance or the side entrance. It had 2 entrances. They say eating good in the neighborhood, but this is eating nothing in the abandoned.
Yeah, I was looking for a rising, but nothing in the abandoned hood.
Woo. So this view here kind of gives credence to what AK and I were saying. It's way back in the back of a business park in the corner. I actually pulled into the wrong parking lot originally, and there's nobody around. So that's how confusing it is.
It's so confusing. Like
you can see the colors are faded, just like their accounts receivable department.
We found the perfect Christmas tree. We're
Let's
going to take it home.
We found the perfect curb with electrical tape. Well, I think we have dissected it.
Cool. How is this possible? How did that get off?
All of the views we've gotten are pretty similar. It looks into one large dining room. I really wish I could have been inside this Applebee's during its time, its heyday.
Yeah, it's been forever since I had Applebee's, like probably like 2 years. This year it will be 3 years.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
it's, like, way high up on our like restaurant list.
well, before we sign off here, I'd be remiss if I didn't check out the dumpster area.
It's like
Because even after the employees are long gone, sometimes you can still find atrocities.
now I'm not. You can't get
They've
here, but
got it padlocked down at
there's
the
a bunch
bottom.
of like trash. But that bin,
There's a
but
train track
this is
out this way.
But like definitely not as grotesque.
Whoa, wait a sec. Oh, I see a diaper
Ah!
and some beer cans.
Now
A
what?
bunch of beer cans.
Bunch of beer cans and a diaper. Maybe
Wow.
should not be.
Wait, there's one more thing, AK, and then we must.
I don't know why
Split.
it's a train track here. Like, this is kind of Now the abandoned Burger King was grotesque, really grotesque. But like this one,
I do say this one feels different in the history
this
of.
one feels this video like this area feels a bit more uncomfortable to look at. Just seeing, you know.
It definitely is. It has a
This
different
one's
vibe
more-
than any other video.
This one's more uncomfortable, wouldn't you agree?
There definitely is a different vibe here. Now, don't touch anything here because it looks very grotesque,
Yeah, I
as
don't
you had
even-
said, very macabre.
I don't even want to touch something.
I don't even know what's going on in here. There's grease, all kinds of residue, all kinds of sickness.
But yeah, the Burger King video was grotesque, but this one's like definitely uncomfortable. Especially like, but the grotesque part is having a baby diaper and beer bottles. It's
Yeah. Wait a sec. Is that an eagle?
an eagle!
Ah! It's coming right for us, dude. Jeez.